Today, we're delving into the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I have some intriguing insights to share. While this phone may appear similar to its predecessors, trust me, it boasts some noteworthy differences. Let's jump right in and discuss the pros and cons. The new display on the Galaxy S24 Ultra represents a significant improvement. While some were initially displeased with Samsung's decision to abandon curved edges on their premium phones, the flat screen proves advantageous for those who utilize a stylus for note-taking. The flat screen provides a less restricted space for using the S Pen, encouraging increased usage. Additionally, the new screen features better anti-reflective technology on the Gorilla Armor glass and offers enhanced brightness, making it easily visible even in bright sunlight during winter. Compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, known for its outdoor visibility, the Galaxy S24 Ultra screen is noticeably brighter. Samsung opted for titanium for the phone's side rails, providing a satin finish for a good grip and an attractive appearance. While the matte finish of the Galaxy S24 Ultra may seem less flashy compared to the glossy finish of its predecessor, it resists fingerprints effectively, maintaining a clean look even after frequent handling. The durability of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is reinforced by its titanium frame and flat Armor Gorilla Glass screen. In drop tests, the phone showed resistance to scratches, though actual results varied. While the titanium frame effectively resisted scratches, a face-down drop resulted in a slightly cracked screen. Despite this, the back of the phone remained undamaged, showcasing potential improvements in overall durability. Nevertheless, it's recommended to use a foam case for added protection and better resale value. Real-life battery tests of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra revealed impressive results. We've recently obtained real-life battery test results for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the findings are quite surprising. In a comprehensive test conducted by YouTubers Tech Care, various flagship phones, including the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Pixel 8 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the older Samsung S23 Ultra, were put to the test using different apps such as YouTube, Facebook, Asphalt 8, and 3D Mark. Contrary to expectations, the Galaxy S24 Ultra outperformed its predecessor, the S23 Ultra, despite both having a 5000 mAh battery. The S24 Ultra lasted nearly 11 hours, while the S23 Ultra managed only 8 hours and 10 minutes. This significant improvement is attributed to the S24 Ultra's superior chipset and finely tuned software, showcasing Samsung's dedication to enhancing efficiency. Comparatively, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, with a smaller battery than the Galaxy S24 Ultra, lasted 10 hours and 20 minutes. Although it didn't surpass the Galaxy phone, it demonstrated impressive efficiency, lasting only 5% less time despite an 11% smaller battery. The Pixel 8 Pro came in last with a battery life of 10 hours. It's important to note that these flagship phones, including the Galaxy S23 Ultra, have shown notable improvements in battery life compared to their predecessors. While certain details like battery health, screen resolution, and refresh rates weren't covered in the test, all three phones demonstrated commendable battery performance, providing users with excellent options. Moving on to the second set of results, a battery drain test by TechDroider yielded different outcomes. Playing PUBG Mobile for 3 hours and continuous 4K 60 fps YouTube usage for another 3 hours, the remaining battery percentages were as follows. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, 44%. iPhone 15 Pro Max, 50%. Google Pixel 8 Pro, 27%. Xiaomi 14 Pro, 37%. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, 40%. OnePlus 11 to 28%. Subsequent tests involving browsing using Chrome/Safari, Instagram usage, and camera operation until the phones died produced unexpected results. Notably, the iPhone 15 Pro Max emerged as the winner, lasting 10 hours and 48 minutes, surpassing the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While both Samsung models demonstrated outstanding performance, it's essential to consider factors like display resolution and battery size when evaluating the results. In the third test by Tom's Guide, involving internet browsing on a 5G network with a screen brightness set to 150 nits, the Galaxy S24 Ultra exhibited an impressive battery life of 16 hours and 45 minutes. In comparison, the iPhone 15 Pro Max lasted 14 hours and 2 minutes, showcasing a remarkable performance despite its smaller battery. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's exceptional battery life is attributed to its new processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which boasts a 25% improvement in efficiency over its predecessor. The test results highlight Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries of battery performance. Additionally, Samsung has announced that certain camera features from the Galaxy S24 will be made available for older Galaxy phone models. These features include an improved single take, the ability to create long exposure photos using motion photos, extracting frames from motion photos, upscaling using artificial intelligence, HR video support, and cross-device video editing on Galaxy tablets and laptops. The Galaxy S24. The introduction of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor contributes to this remarkable performance, offering a more efficient chip, according to Qualcomm. Samsung has integrated new artificial intelligence features into the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Notable additions include Live Translate, Chat Assist, Note Assist, Transcript Assist, Generative Edit and Suggestions, and Circle to Search. These features enhance communication, note-taking, transcription, and photo editing, showcasing Samsung's commitment to advancing AI capabilities on their devices. In storage speed tests, the Galaxy S24 Ultra demonstrated superiority over the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's use of US 4.0 storage technology resulted in faster data transfer speeds, making it approximately 75% faster in reading data and significantly outperforming in writing data. The lower latency of the USS storage contributes to a smoother overall experience, with quicker app loading times and faster file transfers. Ultimately, the decision to purchase the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra depends on individual preferences. For those who appreciate Samsung's One UI and ecosystem, the phone offers compelling features for power users. However, changes such as the removal of the microSD card slot and headphone jack may not be well received by everyone. The Galaxy S23 Ultra remains a viable option, especially with the potential introduction of some AI features from the S24 series. Long-term software support and impressive 7 years in the case of the S24 Ultra adds to its appeal. Despite its strengths, the Galaxy S24 Ultra falls short in some areas. Inconsistencies in camera performance, less polished AI features, and design considerations may not make it the ideal choice for everyone, especially given its starting price of $1,300. In comparison to the Google Pixel 8 Pro, the Galaxy S24 Ultra may not stand out as much, though it will undoubtedly satisfy many users. As we know, the Galaxy S24 series is here, and there are pre-order offers available. If you have thoughts on this, feel free to share them in the comments section. And if you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to the channel. That's it for today.